He likes the liver, doesn't he?
So the judge will award the challenge bitch. The award will go to
Kirsten. He doesn't. Come on, Kirsten. Yes. Yes. Yes.
we now have the contest for the reserve challenge bitch. Even though the judges have chosen the best in each category, you can understand that they still take considerable time reviewing the animals again to find the best of the very best. And quite an honour to become challenge bitch or dog, and even more so to become best of breed, which you will see very shortly.
He likes the liver. He likes the liver. He likes, told you he likes the liver.
Challenge
He
bitch.
likes the liver.